Michael McNeil, and I'm bringing you my best hunts from all over the world. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be the first person to know and when I get a new video released on my channel. Thanks for stopping in today, and we are going to be hunting snow geese, blue geese, Ross geese, and today the conditions are, it rained all day yesterday. It is wet. And today, but what came with after the front is a really heavy wind, so we're going to have 15 to 17, 18, even up to 20-mile-an-hour gusts today. So a little something about when it's windy and you're hunting geese or waterfowl or anything in general. Typically waterfowl, what will happen is a flock will land in the field when it's windy and they'll land short when it's heavy wind. So 15 miles an hour and under, you want to run a lot of decoys out front of you because they'll come in and they'll try to land ahead of the flock. When there's a heavy wind, you want the decoys more behind you because they'll try to short stop you. They'll come in and they'll land real short. So that's what we did today. So you'll see that in footage, and we'll talk about the spread later today. But we got lots of, hopefully there's some ducks in here. We've seen a few, a lot of Ross geese, blue geese. There's Celesters, there's speckle belly geese. So this is going to be a real fun hunt, and I can't wait for you guys to check it out. Make sure you come back and let's make them rain. Come on, let's go.
Here they come, here they come.
Go!
Good shot, old man. Got a dimmer.
Get ready, get ready. Wait. Mega brain! Nice shoot, boys. That's how you do it. Woo! They ain't so tough at 15 yards, are they, Jerry?
No, they ain't.
One right there.
Woo! Left side, we're gonna shoot the ones on the left. Go! Mega brain! Coming back, load up, lay flat, coming back. Go! Lay down. Go!
One.
Wait. Kill him! Down. All right, lay flat. Lay flat. We're gonna let him spin.
This is nuts.
Wait. Let him land.
Hey, we got thousands from the right.
We're gonna do these on the left.
One right up front. Another one, two overhead.
Woo! See what wind does with the Jeremy? Okay, Jackson, get on the ones front right.
To the left.
Left side.
To the left.
Right in the hole. We're keeping the ones right up front. Got him! Jackson, without me one. That was the most insane 5 minutes of snow goose decoying you'll ever see. I don't know how many we got out of there, but the pile's getting bigger. Go, Blue! Back! 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 Snow geese coming left. Snow geese.
They're maple leafing.
Maple leaf to the right. Camel. Ready? Drop, drop. We're gonna shoot in the hole. Bring him in! Nice shoot, boys. Gonna shoot the pair, Jackson. No! Go! Very nice shot. Okay, 3 coming low right. Got him! Back, back, back. Oh, Reggie's gonna be about 20 pounds lighter.
That's good. That will like that.
Got him, Jackson? 2 on the
Yep.
top. Kill him! There you go. Heads up.
Watch out,
Ooh-wee. On front, single coming. Let him go, just let him go.
boy. Work from the right here.
Camel! Kill him! Lean on! Kill him! I didn't see him.
He's down.
Reggie, come here.
Oh, I didn't see it. Oh. Right in the hole, Jackson. Kill him! Get down again. Down again.
Balling out left up front. Coming right over our heads. Yep.
Kill him!
And the decoys.
Shoot these two when they come over. Man, we're already over 100 geese. We're just picking up some cripples here. We're gonna start counting, but man, what a shoot! What an amazing shoot! We'll send Blue on a blind retrieve here. Heel, heel, sit, back. Oh, he caught that one! Caught it right out of the air! Kill that one! Here!
Yeah! Grab some birds, it's coming.
Touch it to me! Well, what an incredible hunt. We had big flocks, little flocks. The maple leaf did good. Some of the guys got to see some pretty big flocks come in, and it was pretty incredible. And I gotta say, Team Viagra, I got my old guys with me on this trip. They did phenomenal shooting today. You guys got to see a lot of birds rain out, and I couldn't be more proud of these old guys. You know, some of these guys are pushing 70 years old, and they're still out here with me trying to smack these birds around, and it's pretty incredible that they want to get up in the morning and put in all the hard work and move stuff around. So I can't thank these old guys enough for coming up on the second trip with me every year. Now, the cool thing about our spread today, we put a few socks behind us, but we had all the DSDs out front. Like I said, the birds, that you could tell, they wanted to shortstop the spread. So when they got in real low and started flipping in, and they wanted to shortstop it, we were right where they wanted to be, and you can tell we made them pay on the footage. So thanks for following. Make sure you ring that bell, hit the subscribe button, so you can be the next one. See my next video that comes out. Be the first one to know when it comes out. So thanks for popping in, and let's make them rain. Come on, let's go.
Stay rich.